Dear Mr. Blair, I'm writing you to thank you from my heart for bringing peace around the world, especially in Iraq. But I thought I'd better tell you there's some nasty people here what is telling disrespectful lies while quaffing on their beer. That Blair is just an anchor, least I think that's what they said when I overheard a conversation down at the Nag's Head. You got blood upon your hands, they said. You helped to start a war. But I don't believe it's true. I nearly punched him on the floor. The massive car at Lebanon, he said you wouldn't stop, but I bet the brakes was dodgy or you hit an icy rock. You sent 100,000 muslins to their maker, one complained, but if that bloke got dodgy fabric, well, I bet he'd do the same. Where's the weapons of destruction, another bloke brought up, but I bet they fell behind the fridge or in some old tin cup. They cast nasty aspersions that your parents never wed. You performs unnatural acts behind a bush called George, one said. I kicked the bloke for saying this, but he was big and hairy. I've put a tooth I lost under my pillow for the fairies. So I'll sign off now, Your Majesty. Just wrote this note today to let you know that I believe in every word you say.